Hi all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the Craft with Heart Cut Above Layout Kit for January. I absolutely love these kits. You get everything you need except for adhesive and journaling pen and pictures to create two-page layouts. They are so quick and easy. It makes it a really enjoyable time of crafting. So I'm really pleased with these subscription kits. And so today I'm going to put this one together, two-page layouts, like I said. What you get in the kit, I'll just give you a quick little look. You do get your page protectors. I've already taken those out. Get all the page protectors you need. You get photo mats. You get any kind of journaling cards, any other kind of pre-cut papers. You get all of your photo placeholders. If you're like me and you don't put your pictures on until later, these are very helpful. So put those to the side, put these guys to the side. And then you also get all the paper you need, and they're usually pre-printed. Now this one's just a solid, but normally they have a pre-print on them. So like that. Then you also get all of the die cuts that you need for each one of the layouts. They're usually very nicely done. So there's those. And then you also get a big sheet of stickers. And these are heavy cardstock stickers for your layouts, and they're clearly marked, as are the die cuts. And you also get some, these are so simple. This is all the instructions. 5 here, 7 here. That's it. Mega easy. So I'm going to go ahead, put some music on for you, and get started on these, and I hope you enjoy. These turned out so cute, and they were so quick to put together. I think I forgot to look at the time on my recording, but I think these took me about 45 minutes total to put together. So if you only have, a small short time frame to craft, this is a great way to do it. So this is the first layout. Love the way this turned out. Be careful with this sticker because one is a little bit, I think a little bit longer than the other. Because this one I had to cut off a little bit, and this one is just a tiny bit too short, but you're not going to see that once it's in the page protector, so don't worry about that if you end up doing what I did. So there's that one, so cute. And then the second one, I really love this one. And a good way to get these letters, you saw me doing it, was to use a T ruler. I always have this T ruler linked down below. I just got mine at Amazon. They're really cheap. I have it linked down below. I use it so much. I bought a second one. So I really highly recommend having one of these. You just can't go wrong. And again, they're really cheap. I have it linked down below in my Amazon. At Amazon. I don't get any money from it, so I'm just telling you something that really works. So that's how I lined up those letters. And at first I thought, why didn't they just give it to us pre-printed on here? But you probably can't see it on the video, but these stickers they're cardstock, so they're heavy stickers. So it really adds some dimension without adding too much bulk for your photo album. So there are those. So that was the January Craft with Heart. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions regarding the subscription service, I'll have a link down below to my store, and you can find more information there, or feel free to leave me a note down below and I'll be happy to get back to you. There's also a link down below to join my VIP group on Facebook, completely free. I upload all kinds of things there for you to see, pictures, ideas, links to videos. I'm also starting a files section, so I'm going to start, I have one there so far, and then I'll be uploading all kinds of cutting guides and other things that you can use to make your own projects. So I hope you'll join me over there. If you're not a subscriber already, I would love to have you subscribe. Just hit the red subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost anything. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload, just click the little bell and it'll pop a little message up for you in YouTube to let you know that I uploaded a video. If you like my video, also hit the thumbs up or leave me a comment. That would be very helpful. And I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.